What if clean hot air is required, and there must be no spark and smell during drying process? One solution is to use heat exchanger. Behind me stands a vertical fin-type heat exchanger, which functions both as a combustion chamber and hot air furnace. With 120 square meters heat exchanging area, it is designed with 310S heat exchanging tube and a 321 fin. Fresh air enters from chimney duct after passing through heat exchanging tube wall and the furnace sidewall in sequence. Fresh air is heated to over 350 degrees centigrade before being supplied to dryer. Here is a burner docking port, which can match with oil, gas, and biomass burner. Compared with chain furnace type heat exchanger, this one has larger heat exchanging area and superior heat transfer performance. Compared with plate type heat exchanger, it has obvious advantages, like long service life, easy maintenance, and a higher working temperature. Top, middle, and bottom three chambers are easy to clean, making overall maintenance very convenient. With its vertical installation, flue gas in the tube side naturally rises due to chimney effect. This design makes long hot air flow path, suitable wind speed, and space saved. Although investment cost is higher, this unit is more reliable and durable. If you have same requirements, please feel free to contact us.